It is a great pleasure for me to present the CEI Central European Initiative Award for Young Writers 2021 in the framework of the Vilenica International Literary Festival. This initiative, promoted by the CEI in cooperation with the Slovene Writers Association, originates from the successful experience of the CEI Fellowship for Writers in Residence. With this new award, we wish to support the translation of a literary work of a young, outstanding writer from our CEI region. The winner selects a CEI language in which to translate his or her work, while the Slovene Writers Association provides the translation into the Slovene language. We believe that the support to translation and circulation of literary works can encourage mutual understanding and knowledge, as well as enhance good neighborly relations. And all this is in line with the CEI mission of promoting intercultural dialogue and preserving cultural diversity. I am very glad to say that the first call for the award received a good response from many very valuable candidates, which motivates us, the CEI and the Slovene partners, to pursue this initiative and hopefully expand its scope in the next editions in order to give the young generation of writers support, trust and opportunities. In view of all mentioned, I am very pleased to welcome the recipient of this year's award, Mr. Stefan Bošković from Montenegro, with his latest novel, The Minister. I wish to wholeheartedly congratulate him. At the CEI, we do hope that our award will represent a contribution to the dissemination of his work, and that through the award we can promote dialogue and cooperation in the region.